Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have a lot of ingredients here as I'm going to prepare a very yummy chicken starter recipe, that is cheesy creamy chicken. So to prepare this recipe, friends, we require chicken. I have taken here near about half a kilo of chicken, but these are with bones. If you don't like to have it with bones, you can also use half kilo of boneless chicken, cut them into 1-inch cube, and then you can use. Since I like it with bones, so I am preparing it with bones. So half a kilo of chicken here. First step is, friends, I'm going to marinate this chicken. So I will first explain the ingredients that are required to marinate this chicken. So this chicken will be marinated with, this is 2 tablespoons of maida, that is all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon of chili flake, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder. This is 1.5 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. This is green chili. I'm going to use half in the chicken and the rest half I'll be mixing with the gravy. I'll be using little bit of fresh coriander leaves, salt as per our taste, and this is oil I'll be using to fry the chicken. And also here I have taken lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now friends, for the gravy, we are going to prepare the gravy with, this is half a cup of fresh cream. If you don't have this fresh cream, friends, then you get the cream on the milk. You can keep that separately and you can use it. This is 1 cup of milk, 1 cheese cube. This is 2 tablespoons of butter. Here I will be using 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger and garlic. And friends, as you can see here, separately I have kept, in 2 places I have kept chili flakes and black pepper powder. So this is 1/4 teaspoon of chili flake, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder that I'll be using in the gravy. So, and apart from all this, friends, I'll be using little bit oil for frying this. So now let's get started. So the first step is we will marinate this chicken. So to marinate this chicken, we will first add the ginger and garlic paste. We will add these dry spices, that is chaat masala, black pepper powder, chili flake. We will add little salt. We will add the corn flour and the maida, that is all-purpose flour. Then we will add little bit of green chilies. Half of the green chilies I have added and half I have kept it. And then little bit of fresh coriander leaves. At the end, we are adding the lemon juice. And now we will mix everything properly. So friends, here I have marinated the chicken, and now we will leave this aside for near about 10 to 15 minutes. After keeping it for 10 to 15 minutes, friends, here I have heated oil for frying the chicken pieces. Once the oil becomes hot, we are going to fry these chicken pieces. So slowly just drop these chicken pieces into the oil. and we will now fry this. Put the flame into medium high and let it get fried for some time. Then we are going to do not disturb it now, as the coating might come out. So let it get fried for at least a minute. Then we will change the size of the chicken. Now friends, we'll slightly turn the chicken pieces. You have to fry it over medium high flame because the chicken needs to get cooked properly. So friends, here is our first lot of chicken fried. So I will remove it in a plate. And now, after removing all these chicken from the karhai, I am going to add the another batch of chicken to this. Just drop it and do not disturb the chicken for a minute so that the coating of the spices binds it well over medium high flame. So friends, here I have taken out the fried chicken, and now in the same karai I have removed the oil and I have heated the karai, and I'm going to add the butter, reduce the flame to medium. Now in this butter I will add the chopped ginger and garlic, the green chilies, and I will saute this for 30 seconds over medium flame. Friends, we are going to do this. After 30 seconds, we will reduce the flame completely and we will add the fresh cream. We will also add the milk and bring the flame to medium. We will add the cheese, the cheese cube. If you like it more cheesy, you can add 2 cheese cubes. Now we will add the black pepper powder and the chili flakes, little bit of fresh coriander leaves, and we'll cook this for a minute. We'll also add salt. At this stage, friends, add very little salt because there is already salt in the butter, in the cheese. So add very little salt, reduce the flame, and now we will add the fried chicken to this. Slowly add the fried chicken. Lower the flame. Mix the fried chicken. And then put off the flame. Now it's ready to serve. So friends, here is our very creamy, yummy and cheesy chicken recipe ready. I hope you like my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.